Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be speaking about which are the foods that senior citizens should include in their diet daily. So anybody who is watching this video, if your parents are above 60 age, try and include these foods. These are very simple and basic food which I'm going to speak about, and you can include these all. You can include or try maximum as much as you can include. The first thing which I say is everyday morning. uh, every senior citizen should have a handful of nuts. So it could be you have it with milk, or if you can chew, you can just chew it in the morning. Maybe you can eat the soaked ones. At the same time, the people मतलब जो खा नहीं सकते, जो चबा नहीं सकते बेसिकली, वो उन्हें पाउडर क्रश्ड फॉर्म में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल हेल्प देम with their mental health, with their joint health, heart health. So ये इसके benefits है. So try to include dry fruits in your first meal or like first snack early in the morning. Second thing which I would say is have fresh food. Now fresh fruit means any seasonal fruit that comes in your location. Have that as per seasons. So maybe during mango season have a mango, melon season have melons, custard apple season have custard apples. Include bananas daily in case if you do not have access, or like you are not able to eat any other form of fruit or any other fruit. Have banana daily, that is more than enough, because having fruits will help you with fiber and that helps with constipation. So please include fresh fruits, it will help. I would like to include one millet. This is excellent millet, nachni, ragi as we say, because it is rich in iron, calcium, and it helps just not the senior citizens but as well as any person who tries or who includes ragi in their diet. So that what you could do, or make, or maybe make a dosa of it, or porridge of it, or paratha of it, or you can also make ragi bhakris and have it first thing in the morning. If you're making a ragi bhakri, try to include 1 tablespoon of ghee on it and then eat. It is really very helpful. Also ragi helps with people who are having constipation, so include ragi. Now next thing which I like to include ragi when you can eat is first thing in like breakfast time. You can have a bhakri, paratha or porridge or some dosa or something, or try to include the bhakri or the paratha or whatever you are trying to make out of ragi during your lunch time. So either breakfast or lunch include ragi. Now the next thing I would like to say is always have dal khichdi or light dinner. So I would say dal khichdi, or if you don't like the spice or the tadka, go in for dal khichdi plus ghee. This if you don't like, go in for just khichdi and a spoonful of ghee. This is really very light on stomach. It is easy to digest and you'll sleep well. The only thing I would like to say over here is just not for senior citizens, but to all that, try to have your meals, concentrate on your meals and try to have them in say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes time, and then watch television or WhatsApp, or don't do two things together. Focus on your meal, complete it, and then you can have, or like you can just see 10-15 minutes or half an hour television. With ghee is important, so have dal khichdi or just khichdi and ghee. And the last thing which I always include is, or I always tell to people, is have haldi milk. Now healthy milk at bedtime helps with people who have poor sleep. So when our senior parents, when you cross an age of 55, 60 and above, you will find them facing insomnia. So if this is a problem, नींद अच्छे से नहीं आती है, ये अगर इशू है तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट रात को आप सोने से पहले 1 कप में दूध, जो आपको दूध पसंद हो वो, और हल्दी डालकर पिया कीजिए. सो इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प विद पीपल जिनको रात को अक्सर उठना पड़ता है वॉशरूम लू यूज़ करने के लिए, तो उनके लिए भी ये फ़ायदेमंद है. सो ये कुछ थोड़े मैंने टिप्स दिए, फूड्स दिए जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स को अब उनके डाइट में या डेली मील में या डेली बेसिस पे इंक्लूड करना ज़रूरी है. आई वुड एस्पायर ऑल सीनियर सिटीजन्स और ऑल एल्डरली टू ईट दीज फूड्स. ओके, दे आर ईज़िली अवेलेबल, एक्सेसिबल है और वो एक इनएक्सपेंसिव है. करेंटली जो मैंने बात आपसे की है वो तो शायद हर किसी के घर पे किचन में रेडीली अवेलेबल है. सो कुछ स्पेशली बाहर जाके ख़रीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. घर बैठे यही चीज़ों को आप इंक्लूड कीजिए अपने डाइट में. एंड स्टे हैप्पी एंड स्टे फिट. बाय बाय.